In this tutorial, we will make path follow animation with the help of path met tool. So let's do a simple exercise in SolidWorks assembly. I hope you like it. In this exercise, we will create a simple path follow animation with the help of path met. This is simple box 50 by 50. Now right click on this box, make it float in assembly. Now this is moving. Now let me create one path for this. So let's say I'm going to open click front plane sketch. Now look, there is this origin point, so I'm going to start with spline and let's create one zigzag path for this. Right click, okay, this is our random path, so simply exit. Okay, before going to create path animation, we have to apply a constraint, so or apply a met relation between path and box. So activate met, go to advanced met, open path met, and here first we need to define one vertex. So this is our part, so I'm going to select this corner as a vertex. Path selection, I am going to select this. Now look, this is merged with this. You will see here free path. Everything we will keep free. We are not going to apply any, we are not going to do any control. Say okay. Now, okay. Now go to SolidWorks add-ins, activate SolidWorks motion. If you don't have here, simply go to add-ins and from here you can activate SolidWorks motion. Okay. Now right click, toolbar, activate motion manager, go to motion study, say okay. Now here we have to activate motion analysis. Okay. Now first let me activate here motor. Now here I am going to choose path met motor. Now path met we have to select, so simply go to open met here and here you will see path met 1. So select this one. You will see this is randomly shows, so simply okay, let me keep constant speed motion and here let's say 50 mm per second. Say okay. Now click here calculate. Now again I am going to play from start. Look, this is randomly moving, but it is moving through a vertex. If you don't want this, simply again go to model. Now here I am going to open and here we created one sketch. I want to make a different point for this or different vertex for this so that it moves in different way. So right click and show this sketch and here activate again edit path met. Now delete vertex and this time I am going to select this middle one. See, this is the midpoint on this box. Okay, we already described while creating a part. Say okay, cancel. Now open motion study. Now it is asking you, would you like to change? So say yes. Now okay, everything we already defined. Here select calculate. Look, if I am going to zoom, play. Look, this is moving from center point. See, so this is the simple animation how to move a body with the help of path met tool. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Even you can want to save this one, you can save with the help of this tool, save animation. Now here write all the names, AVI format or screen, and from here you can control your 16 by 9, let's say 650. Okay, that's fine. Save. Okay. Now here we have too many full frame uncompressed. Okay, now it will take few seconds and it will store in your destination, and later you can use this as a presentation. Okay, let me see those. Now look, this is the saved file. Thanks for watching.